Welcome to our virtual field trip. Today we are going to explore the natural hazards that happen in our atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. From the beautiful city of Pasadena, we take flight heading east, where we will find ourselves in the city of Moore, Oklahoma. The city of Moore is known for being one of the unluckiest cities that constantly gets hit by violent vortexes of wind, or known as a tornado. Within a 60-year period, Moore has reported a Category 4 tornado within the area 4 different times. Category 4 tornadoes are examined to have wind speeds of up to 166 to 200 miles per hour. In Tornado Alley, the warm, dry temperatures of the mountains and the low, humid air from the coast meet, which causes to form these violent winds. Now, if these were the only two factors that created tornadoes, then we would be seen a lot more often. In spring, a strong westerly jet stream flows across the alley, creating instability and trough of low pressure that draws warm, moist air from the Gulf. This creates a tornado thunderstorm, which then creates these tornadoes. What can you do when a tornado is heading your way? The best thing to do is to prepare canned food in the secure shelter and stay there until the tornado passes. For our next stop, we'll take a plane northeast where we'll find ourselves in Western Virginia, which houses its hydrosphere hazards. Flood. You don't need to live by the ocean to experience floods. Small rivers and lakes can overthrow a city if one is not prepared. West Virginia is surrounded by multiple rivers that begin to overflow. This is due to the heavy rainstorm that overflows the riverbanks, causing them to flood. In 2012, 2 towns in West Virginia were struck by multiple slow-moving thunderstorms. With the excessive amount of water, the rivers were overflowed, causing its floodplains to flood water into the towns. Floods are unpredictable to detect because they can change frequently as a result of erosion to the lands, new land developments that is a result from man-made production, and the weather. Although floods are an unforeseen phenomenon, there are ways for them to be controlled. Leaves, a wall that regulates water levels, can be pushed further back so that there can be room for flood water. For our final destination, we'll fly back southwest to Palo Verde Hills, California. We'll take a look at our last lithosphere hazard, landslides. Landslides happen all around the world, but what makes Palo Verde's Hills special is that the land the people are living on is sinking into the Pacific coast. The cause of these landslides are due to the general detection of the land towards the sea. With the excessive amount of water hitting the land, erosion taken into effect along with the help of gravity results in these landslides. Since the 80s, Palo Verde has been experiencing landslides caused by excessive groundwater. Groundwater saturated the bentonite layers and caused the earth layers to shift. Bentonite are formed by volcanoes' ashes over the years. Landslides have been occurring in Palo Verde since the day it was founded, and there are high chances that they will continue to occur. Due to the excessive amount of water attacking it, the land erosion will cut it piece by piece. Landslides can occur at any moment and cannot be controlled. The only way to avoid this catastrophe is to prepare for it. Signs that show that you are in an area for a landslide are living near steep slopes close to mountain edges and or near drainage ways. Preparing for a landslide may not be enough to avoid it, so ways to detect it are prominent. We now head back home to Pasadena, where we end our virtual tour. We hope that this journey has given you some insight and helped you understand how these hazards affect our atmosphere, hydrosphere, and lithosphere. Thank you for joining us.